Hello, welcome back. Today, so with boosted cars, you are gonna have some blow by. Actually, with naturally aspirated as well, but boosted you get a little bit more. So how this works? It sucks the pressure out of the crankcase with this valve right here, and it gets some oil in there. Not a lot. It shouldn't get a lot at all, but it's gonna have a little bit of low fume, and so you get oil in your intercooler piping, and I don't know, it's just, I don't know if it has any negative effects. I've heard that it may lower the octane, getting some oil in there, but people add catch cans to catch that oil and moisture that pulls out, and so that's what we're going to do on this car. And by doing this, it should keep all the intercooler piping super clean, no more oil seepage leaking out, and it's good to do. I have one on my truck, which is over there behind that other truck, and then I'll have one on my Turbo X, and I might put it on my SUV because you don't have to have on boosted. It's just boosted gets more than naturally aspirated. So we're gonna mount this right somewhere in here, just like that. I'm not sure the exact location yet. Maybe like right here. But we're gonna mount that, and we'll connect one hose to this nipple on that, and then one hose to there, and it'll just catch the fumes and blow by that it creates. So let's get started. I might build a bracket for this, but yeah, I'm probably gonna build a bracket that goes over, and then a 90 to throw on it. But for now, since I don't have my welder with me at the moment, we might just set this here, and then we'll get to building a bracket. But yeah, I want to put it right here. There's lots of room on this engine base, so we'll put it right there, and that should fix that. But I'll show you how to hook up these hoses. So first off, go on and grab your 10mm and unhook this one. I have to disconnect that hose, pull that off to the side, pull that one out, and oh, that one's broken. Aha. Yeah, need a new PCV valve. But then let's go over to the bench. Sorry, my shop's an absolute disaster at the moment. Okay, so first off, take off all this heat insulation. You gotta take it off all the way, just enough to get to right here. And then you wanna don't wanna cut yourself. But you want to break this plastic off around there, because this is actually hard plastic. It's easier if you have a different kind of knife, but I don't have mine with me. Okay, see how it cracked? Okay, there's one piece. Make sure you blow through it. Now we can do this one, which I'm gonna buy a new one of these. I'm showing you guys since this one's broken. Okay, sweet, that's off. Yeah, ignore that, I'm gonna get a new one. But let's go throw these back. Over here. Okay, so this one's gonna go in there, you guys know. And this one's gonna go right here. Put everything on like normal. Yeah, you actually could put everything back on right now. So we'll do that real quick. That hose on. 10mm back in. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna build a bracket and put my catch can right here. So let's go put the fittings on it and we'll put some hose on. Okay, so it comes with a lot of different sizes of hoses, hose fittings, but just to get the one that's closest to the nipple size. Doesn't need any thread tape, it has a gasket. Snug those up with a wrench. Drill this on just so when this is full and you want to empty it, you want to unscrew this. So yeah, make sure you're gonna have room wherever you mount it to be able to unscrew it. That's what I was thinking right here. And here's a dipstick to see how full it is. And these things are pretty inexpensive. I've seen different styles, but I like this style, same style I have on my truck. So we're gonna put it there. Let's grab some hose. Okay, so putting the catch can in place right here, just holding it. And you should probably mount it first before you cut hose, just in case you change, but I already know I'm gonna put it here. I'll put the hose on this end. Like so. Comes with hose clamps as well. But yeah, I'm gonna have to replace that. And then since I'm gonna put it right here, you guys can see, so we'll cut the hose right here, right there. And it does come with hose, but I bought this stuff at O'Reilly's just because, I don't know, I totally forgot it comes with hose. And this stuff is a lot better quality. So it's gonna be there. And you want your in, if you can see that in, and it goes in here and then out to this one. So then we'll just do a hose for that one. Which so right there, and put that right there. That one's on. And that one's on. We're actually gonna run it under this. Actually, no, we're not. Just gonna run it just like that. Yeah, I don't like how it crisscrosses, but that's it, guys. It's that easy. So Now let's build that bracket, get a bracket real quick. And this shall work just like that. There you go. Okay, so we are all done with the catch can setup. I just put a bracket on right here. It didn't turn out too bad. Could be a little cleaner, but not too bad. Catch can sits right here. Have access to this dipstick. And I can unscrew this bottom piece, no problem, to drain it. But yeah, it looks actually really good. It looks pretty like it's supposed to be there. It doesn't just stick out like a sore thumb. So yeah, I'm happy about it. And after I drive it for a while, probably put 3,000-4,000 miles on it, like an oil change, and we'll see how full it is. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I know I've been strictly on the new 9.5 lately. It's the only thing that I've been working on. So got a lot of parts for the Turbo X I gotta get put on still, but you know, it's finally hopefully gonna stay nice. It's nice for a day and then it starts snowing again, so there's no rush on this thing, waiting for the weather to finally get cleared up. But I'm glad that's on. It looks good, and I'll see you guys next time.